found a couple of lines that we could do from this standing position. Gonna go fly up there and check out this little thing I want to show you. Show you the little dude up there. Nearly chopped our head off with that one there, fam. Jeez. I had a massive anxiety attack. I just saw all of those fucking cars and shit. I didn't actually go check that spot out. What kind of fucking dumb? It's just like, fuck. I don't know. I think it's real hard to deal with lately, but let's go do some dumb shit over there, eh?
This is why I'm hot. I don't gotta rap. I could sell a mill, saying nothing on the track. I represent New York. I got it on my back. Niggas say that we lost it, so I'ma bring it back. I love it dirty, dirty. This nigga shoot me love. The niggas start to bounce as soon as I hit the club. West in the Midwest, they love to take it slow. So when I hit the H, I watch them get it on the floor.
Okay. Oh man, I'm not feeling locked in with this quad. So there's something about my rates, fam, that there's so much sticky in the middle I got to drop the expo down. It doesn't feel nice to try and do tight moves. Like, I'm always like real short on stick throw in the middle, so I need to bump it up or like remove the expo, and yeah. But I think that's enough for this pic, fam. Before we start destroying any other school property, we better go home. Quite a semi-successful day, I guess. Like, we got a couple of little lines in there, fam. Just like a few little ones. But anyway, fam, tell us like how you been. You've been flying. Shit, mine is cold though. Mine is not. Oh, mine is cold. And they taste pretty good too. Should get you some, fam. Shut up, Karen. Alright, fam. Drop a like, drop a sub. If you like any of the spots that you've seen in the videos, just let us know and maybe we'll go back for a visit.